Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to the channel. So friends, there are two breaking biggest hiring news. NIC, National Informatics Center, Government of India, Mount Blue off-campus hiring opportunity for 23, 28 to 2018 as well as the graduates batch. Like if you are from 17, 16, so you can also eligible. BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, MSc and many courses are eligible like BCA. You can apply for this opportunity. No 60% criteria, direct hiring, no experience is required. Salary is up to 6 LPA. These all opportunities are for all of you. Like and share the video with your friends. NIC, the Government of India, Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology announced the hiring, and this is the opening date of portal receipt, means that tomorrow it will open by 10 am and it will close on the next April 4/4/2023 at 5:30 pm. So this is the NIC recruitment portal where the information is mentioned. You have to follow this information while filling the form. So this is the National Informatics Centers. And one of the most important point, they are hiring for the scientist B, scientific officer, engineer, scientific technical assistant. So these are the number of vacancies according to the category wise. And one of the most important point, this is the educational qualification for scientist. If you are pass in bachelor's degree in engineering, bachelor in technology or department of electronics, and ME, MTech, master's degree, MPhil in the field of this, so you can apply for this opportunity. For scientific officer, engineer and scientific technical assistant, ME, MTech, BE, BTech, MCA, MSc can easily apply. Experience is no experience required. Age limited is completed years on 4/4/2023. This is the upper age limited for direct recruitment, so it should not be exceeding in year. मतलब यहाँ से ज्यादा एक्सीड नहीं करना चाहिए, उसके पहले पहले आप आसानी से अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. सो बेसिकली दिस इज द प्लेस ऑफ पोस्टिंग एनीवेयर इन इंडिया एंड आउटसाइड इंडिया in the interest of the organization. This is the recruitment that is related to, so you have to fill the form that is related. You have to click on register to apply, where you can find all the details. But this form will be open by tomorrow 4 March by 10 am. So I suggest you to apply for this opportunity by tomorrow. Okay, so this is related to the upper age limit. And there is one of the best hiring from Mount Blue for the software development engineer and software engineering mentor. So they are hiring for software development engineer, any graduate, as well as 23 batch is also eligible. 4 lakh is the package. And hello Mount Blue team is 2023 will eligible for software development engineer. Okay, so yes, सो मीन्स मैंने यहाँ पर पूछा था बेसिकली 23 बैच एलिजिबल है या नहीं. सो 23 बैच एलिजिबल है. यू हैव टू फेमिलियर विथ एटलीस्ट वन प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज. दे ओनली चेक योर रेज्यूमे. ओके, so basically there is no 60% criteria. If you are from non-tech background also, so you can also apply. You can try to apply if you are from other branches also. This is the qualifications required. This both hiring is very good for the freshers batch. I hope this video is useful for everyone. If you have any doubt, let me know that in the comment section. And in the NIC hiring, the salary is 56,000 rupees to 1,77,500 rupees. This is the salary range, like up to 6 LPA. Basically there is no experience required. And in this form, they mention that how to apply for this process. You have to follow all the process, and this is the selection process. I hope this all information is really good for all of you. And this is the best hiring. This both hirings are very best. Apply for this. Thanks.